Hello everyone, welcome back to Something of Everything. In the last two videos, we have seen footing and column modules of DraftWin software. In this video, we will see the shear wall module. The prerequisites are the ETABS model must be analyzed, designed for concrete as well as shear wall, and the model should have been opened. Now to start the shear wall module, press on shear wall module and in the file menu, click on SWAPI to read the data from the currently opened ETABS model. In general practice, we detail out shear walls by taking the shear wall design result table to Excel and interpret the data there and provide the reinforcement so that we can check whether it is more than the required reinforcement or not. Or we can directly use the user interface of ETABS with elevations to see the required reinforcement and provide the details manually. DraftWin does the same in less than a fraction of time, so you can save a lot of time of yours to detailing and change the details in DraftWin itself for faster and accurate results. It uses the ETABS results only to give you the detailed reinforcements, and it shows you the required versus provided reinforcement so that you can decide whether to reduce the reinforcement or increase further. The structure that we are reading is a G plus 14, that is basement ground plus 14 story structures with 18 inch shear wall. Detailing of the same by usual manual method will take almost 2 to 3 hours, which we can do in DraftWin in less than 10 minutes. Then all we have to do is we have to judge whether we want to give the reinforcement provided by the DraftWin or we want to change that. It gives us flexibility of logical analysis of results and saves our time of interpretation. Once the data has been read, the detailing preferences window opens. You can select the column shear walls for which you want to do the details. Let us understand each option of this. You can detail out all the shear walls or specific shear walls. The activity has nothing to do in shear walls. You have to provide clear cover, additional reinforcement that is above the required reinforcement that you can provide. You can select the boundary zones and set the rules to provide the boundary zones, and you can select the main diameters and as well as shear diameters and spacing of them. Press OK. It will ask you for selecting the materials. The selected materials are OK. Press OK and it will show you the layouts at each and every floor. You can select any floor and see the layouts in the viewing window. You can zoom at the shear walls that you want to check. Once that is done, you can level group the shear walls. In our case, we generally provide reinforcement up to ground story as 1, so we can group it and press OK, and you can change the rebar syntax as per your drafting practice. Ours is to write the T afterwards after the dia of reinforcement. Press OK and just run the design. The design has been completed within a fraction of time. You can select the pier label, you can see the levels, size of the pier versus shear wall, grade, reinforcement required as well as reinforcement provided. You can see the shear reinforcement at mid and edge levels. You can see the zones, end zones as well as middle zones, and you can change the reinforcement of the same from this window. Once the design has been completed, you can export the drawing to any folder and see the results in DXF format. It is generating parts of the DXFs. The drawing will be a larger one, that is why it is creating multiple parts. Just go to our drawings and click on any part, let's say part 1, and open it in the CAD file. You will be able to visualize the details of shear walls that has been done. The required reinforcement percentage is 1.87, that is 6745. The provided is 6886. You do not have to calculate the reinforcement area, as it is giving you the reinforcement area possible. It gives you the reinforcement donuts with circle and H method. It gives you the utility that is required divided by provided. It gives you the stirrup details as well as the stirrup spacings in the end zone and mid zone. Likewise, you can get for all 89 shear walls in 5 parts. Use them for your purpose. Just click on the shear wall that you want to see. So this way you can get the shear wall output in the drawing format. You can get the layouts as well at each level for the shear wall. If you have modeled at exact locations, you can get the layouts handy. You can export the schedule to Excel as well. Press OK, and it has given you the schedule in Excel format, from where you can just read the data faster. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. If you have any queries or you want to buy the software, just contact us at the WhatsApp number given in the description. Thank you.